Hello kids, today we shall learn more about the eating habits of the animals. We already know different animals eat different kinds of food. Some eat plants, some eat flesh, while others eat both the plants and flesh of other animals. Have you observed any animal eating its food? How do animals eat their food? Do all of them eat the same way? No. If we observe carefully, you will find it interesting to see how the various animals have different ways of eating the food. The mouth of each animal is made in such a way that it suits its eating habits. Some animals like cow, goat, deer are plant-eating animals. Have you ever seen a cow sitting and chewing something for long hours? What does it keep on chewing? The cow uses its flat and broad front teeth to cut grass or leaves. It swallows the food and fills its stomach. Later, it brings the food back in its mouth and keeps chewing it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. Apart from the cows, sheep, deer, buffaloes, giraffes, camel also chew the cud. Why the elephant has a long trunk? The trunk helps the elephant to break off branches and leaves and pushes them into the mouth. Why the giraffe has a long neck? So that it can reach the branches of tall trees and eat the leaves. Animals like lion, tiger, wolf are flesh-eating animals. They kill other animals and eat their flesh. An animal that is killed and eaten by other animal is called prey. For example, the goat and deer are prey to the lion. The flesh-eating animals, like the lion, have very sharp pointed front teeth. Hence, they can tear the flesh easily. Some animals like bear not only eat leaves, fruits, but also the flesh of other animals. Frogs and lizards use their long sticky tongue to catch their prey. As happened in the story, when the frog spots an insect, it sticks out its tongue and catches the insect. Have you seen any dog or cat drinking milk or water? They use their tongue to lap up water or milk. In the story, the greedy fox lapped up his soup very fast. You will be surprised to know the snakes don't chew their food. They just swallow their prey. In the story, the whole rabbit was swallowed by the big snake. How do birds eat their food? The birds use their beak to eat food. Like in the story, the ostrich used its beak to eat the tasty insect soup. Animals like rabbit, rats, squirrels have sharp front teeth. They bite and chew a lot using this front teeth while eating their food. This is called gnawing. At times, in the night, you might have heard the sound of rats gnawing the kitchen waste. In the story, the rabbit was gnawing the carrots. You know, the rabbit's teeth continue to grow throughout its life. Do you remember? In the story, the fox was making fun of the butterfly by saying, "Is a straw stuck in your mouth?" A butterfly has a long sucking tube which it uses to suck nectar from the flowers. Similarly, other insects like mosquitoes too have needle-like tubes to suck blood. To sum up, different animals have different eating habits, and the mouth of each animal is made in such a way that it suits its eating habits. That's all for today. Bye-bye.